Okay, so I'm on my way to Mexico to be a travel vlogger. A lot of this is going to be done on my phone because I don't want to be walking around with my backpack that has my ZV-1 Sony camera. So anyway, here we go, off to Mexico to interview the directors of the Sumaya Museum and Foundation ZoomX. Let's see how it goes.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente.
Okay, so I'm here. A couple of snags or a couple of things I gotta do. Number one, I didn't know that I need to get a test for COVID coming out of here. 3 days, within 3 days of boarding my exit flight. So I gotta do that. I gotta find a kiosk because I'm only here for 3 days.